Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Apple Watches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Apple Watch SE GPS 40mm with the gold aluminum case and pink sand sport band, a renewed model that offers solid performance at an affordable price point. This watch features a bright LTPO OLED retina display that delivers crisp visuals even in bright sunlight. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for swimming or other water activities. Packed with features like text messaging, GPS navigation, and workout tracking. It's a versatile smartwatch for those who want the essentials without breaking the bank. The design is elegant and lightweight, with the gold aluminum case paired with the soft pink sand sport band for a stylish yet functional look. It feels comfortable to wear all day, and its smaller 40mm size is ideal for users with slimmer wrists. However, its slightly lower battery capacity of 245 mAh means we may need to charge it more frequently compared to other models in this list. While the Apple Watch SE lacks the advanced health features found in higher-end models, it's a fantastic choice for fitness enthusiasts and users who want reliable performance at a budget-friendly price. Pros include its stylish design and affordability, but the cons are its limited advanced features and slightly lower battery life compared to newer models. Coming in at number 4, we have the Apple Watch Series 5 GPS 40mm in space gray aluminum with a black sport band. This renewed watch is a great option for those who want advanced features without the price of a brand new device. Its standout feature is the always-on retina display, which keeps the screen visible at all times, a convenience many users love. It also includes an ECG app for heart monitoring and is swim-proof, making it suitable for both health tracking and aquatic activities. The Series 5 boasts a sleek and durable design with a lightweight aluminum case that feels premium on the wrist. The 40mm screen size is compact yet offers 30% more screen area than previous models, providing plenty of room for apps and notifications. The watchOS operating system ensures smooth navigation, while its built-in GPS is excellent for outdoor enthusiasts. However, its battery life at 296 mAh may require daily charging, which can be inconvenient for heavy users. Overall, the Apple Watch Series 5 provides a well-rounded experience with solid health features and excellent screen quality. Pros include the always-on display and swim-proof functionality, but cons include its slightly older hardware compared to newer models. It's an ideal pick for users wanting advanced features at a lower cost. At number 3, we have the Apple Watch SE GPS 40mm with the space gray aluminum case and black sport band, another renewed model that balances performance and price. This watch features a bright LTPO OLED retina display, providing excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. Its water resistance up to 50 meters ensures durability during workouts and swims. Packed with versatile features like voice call, text messaging, and workout tracking, it's a great companion for fitness enthusiasts and everyday users alike. The design is minimalist and functional, with the space gray aluminum case offering a modern aesthetic. The black sport band is comfortable, making it easy to wear throughout the day. Its 32GB storage ensures plenty of space for apps and music, while the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity delivers reliable pairing with your devices. However, its battery capacity of 296 mAh may require frequent charging, which is worth considering if you're a tower user. The Apple Watch SE is a fantastic mid-tier option for users who want reliable performance, essential features, and a stylish design. Pros include its affordability and solid feature set, while cons are its lack of advanced health metrics and shorter battery life compared to newer models. If you're looking for value without sacrificing quality, this is a great pick. At number 2, We have the Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen, featuring GPS plus cellular connectivity in a Starlight aluminum case with a matching Starlight Sport Band. This renewed model is perfect for users who want cellular capabilities to stay connected without needing their phone nearby. It offers crash detection, fall detection, and emergency SOS, making it a reliable safety tool. Additionally, it features enhanced workout metrics and improved performance, with a faster processor delivering up to 20% better speed compared to its predecessor. The design is lightweight yet durable, with a premium feel thanks to the Starlight finish. The redesigned back case is made using a carbon-neutral process, showcasing Apple's commitment to sustainability. With a battery capacity of 304 mAh, it offers slightly better longevity than other SE models, though heavy users may still need daily charging. Its cellular connectivity is ideal for travelers or those who prefer leaving their phone behind during workouts or errands. The Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen stands out for its balance of affordability, performance, and safety features. Pros include its cellular capability, faster performance, and sustainability, while cons are its lack of advanced health tracking features like ECG. It's a great choice for users who want a versatile smartwatch with strong safety and connectivity options. And finally, at number 1, we have the Apple Watch Series 10. The latest and most advanced smartwatch Apple has to offer. With a massive 46mm always-on retina display, this watch provides up to 30% more screen area, making it perfect for those who want a larger, more immersive experience. It features cutting-edge health tracking like ECG, ovulation estimates, sleep apnea notifications, and advanced metrics for workouts, including training load and water temperature sensors. Add in the carbon-neutral design, and it's clear this watch is built for the future. The design is thinner, lighter, and more comfortable than ever before, with a stunning rose gold aluminum case paired with the Plum Sport Loop for a stylish look. It boasts incredible durability with crack resistance, IP6X dust resistance, and 50-meter water resistance, ensuring it can handle your active lifestyle. Its faster charging capability, 80% battery in just 30 minutes, is a game-changer for busy users. The Apple Watch Series 10 is packed with features that make it the ultimate smartwatch for health, fitness, and connectivity. Pros include its expansive display, advanced health tracking, and sustainability, while cons are its larger size, which may not suit users with smaller wrists. If you're looking for the best of the best and are willing to invest in cutting-edge technology, this is the smartwatch for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.